Hey guys, today I will show you how to download an app on your Android device. So let's get started. So firstly, make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi. Find the Settings app, it's an app with a gear icon, and simply tap on it. And then here find the Wi-Fi tab and make sure that you're connected to a Wi-Fi. And then find the Play Store app. It's a white square with a colorful triangle, usually located on the home screen. And just simply tap to open. And then head out to the search by tapping on this loop icon. And then tap here to search, and for example, let's download Libby app. And to download an app, tap Install. And then when the app is installed, you can see that you can open the app. Just simply tap on the Open and wait for the app to download. And now you know how to download apps on your Android device. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.